Right, let me put my apron on.
Hey, that's a fancy apron.
You know, I've got to fly the flag somehow. You know, this is the best way to do it. How do you like it?
Yeah. Oh, that's really fancy. I like it.
There we go.
Oh.
So, Chef, what are we doing here?
I'm going to be showing you how to cook some lovely Parsi food.
Okay.
We're going to be doing some patrani machi. This dish symbolizes Parsis in general because it has a balance of everything.
A bit of everything.
Yeah, a bit of everything, yeah.
And all the Parsis I've met, I have to say, do have a bit of everything.
Yeah, there you go. I've just seasoned it with salt and turmeric powder. Let's move on to wrapping the fish.
Can't wait. Let's do that without making a mess. There we go. How's that?
Yeah, that's good, that's good. Okay, so now I'm just going to plop the fish onto the chutney there.
Perfect.
Right?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Spread it nicely. Right, let's wrap this
Okay,
baby
so now,
up.
so you're just going to start one side up.
There we go.
Lovely.
How's that?
Lovely. Nice and compact.
I think that's what they call a wrap.
Yeah.
That's a wrap.
So the fish is ready now. So you can just start to...
Let me do that. And there she
look at
is.
that.
Look at that. Beautiful. Chef, that's an amazing job, you know, but we can't do this judgment by ourselves, you know. There's the ultimate judging now. So I think let her decide. Yeah, the good Mrs. Kang.
Oh, okay.
Roll on in.
Oh, wow, that's a great Parsi gara.
Thank you. It's an heirloom. It's
over here.
very nice.
Oh, have a go.
This
Tell
smells
us what you
absolutely
think.
delicious.
All my cooking, I'll have you know. So. Good.
Chef, what's a word for delicious?
Oh, majestu hai.
Majestu. It certainly is.
Let me have a taste of this wonderful creation that we've made together. Yeah. That is amazing. Thank you ever so much, Chef. You taught me something.
I'm glad. Thank you.
So, how do we wish all of our Parsi friends a Happy New Year?
It's Sal Mubarak.
So, from all of us to all of you, Sal Mubarak.